In a small house, there's a tiny storage room. It's really small, just around 3.30 by 2.5 meters. It's like a forgotten corner where unuseful things gather like Yamashita treasure, and even your dad's historical underwear lived. They want to use the room as a bedroom for his son, who wants to live in a separate room already. That's why. One day, the owner looks at the room. They don't like it. John Wick. He's good at cleaning mess things up. DE Sign Studio, or Dana Chavez Design Studio arrived. They have ideas to make the room better. Clients tried to come up with suggestions. First, they proposed one bed good for 2 people, and with a cabinet for clothes, but still everything seems so small. The second option is to put the bed in the other way and a literal big hanging cabinet with a small study table in the corner. But the result is that it feels so depressing on how suffocating the room is. Beds are on the ceiling and tables are in strange places. So the designer came up with a simple solution. First, let's change the strip lights inside the cove light to new ones. Now let's go to the study area. All we need to do is to add a bed frame first to measure easily the space we have left for the study area if it's enough. Then add wood slats. Then let's put a hanging cabinet, and above that is another space for storing your luggage or things. Those are used often only. And let's add a lighting, and let's not forget to add a strip lights, since it's a study area to focus and to sometime relax a little bit. And then a foldable study table attached to the wall and a comfortable chair. Then a bookshelf to store all the cheat codes and other secret formula of the Krabby Patty. And a light switch beside the door. Now for the walk-in closet area is stairs with multi-purpose. Let's add a frame for closet and other storage cases, and a main light and strip lights too. A steel bar for hanging the clothes, and closed with dual sliding doors for convenience. Then at the corner are drawers to store all your hidden treasures. Then a mirror, so everything you can see how you woke up like this. Lastly is for your laundry storage, and for your shoes and boots storage. And also to add a simple design, let's add a cladded wood attached to the walls and the award-winning paintings from the past 20 years that you're most proud of. And also to keep it cool, let's add a split-type AC that can freeze the whole room. And going up to the bed space, let's just use a single bed, added with bed foam that we can mostly see in Shopee or Lazada for only 99 pesos. And a single pillow since you're single, and how sad is that? And a wooden bookshelf on your head part. Tell yourself a bedtime story. And attached to the wall are outlet and light switch, so it won't be a hustle for you to go down to turn off the lights. Then a small curved partition wall for privacy, and to avoid yourself fall down having bad dreams, so you won't be bored facing the wall. Let's add a small smart TV. So let's go! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like, follow, and subscribe for more designs. Stay tuned and join us next time for more creative ideas and inspiration. Your support helps us bring you new content, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.